For the past 6 years, the fraternity and sorority industry has trusted Campus Director's Companion app to make recruitment faster, centralized, and more manageable. We are so proud to have supported thousands of individuals in finding their home away from home. These members have forged lifelong friendships with their brothers and sisters and have had the chance to participate in the premier collegiate experience on their campuses. Since we originally launched the app, you, our valued partners and friends, have been pivotal in ensuring we continue to evolve and innovate to serve you best. I'm excited to share that in 2024, we are releasing a brand new companion app. The new experience will offer new features, a fresh look, but still maintain the parts we know you love. We can't wait for you to see it and enjoy the new Campus Director Companion app. So, what are we waiting for? Let's check it out together.
When you first log in, the first thing you're going to see is your schedule. At the top of the schedule, you'll see your name, your campus, and the round of recruitment in which your schedule is for. For each individual area, you're going to see the individual date, the event time, which chapter, the location, if provided, as well as a link if also provided. Note, if recruitment takes place over multiple days, it will display a new date when that occurs. The next tab to the right is going to be your message of the day. This is going to be the place in which your community or the campus communicates aspects of the recruitment process to you. So we encourage you to check this regularly to see if there's any updates or changes to today's recruitment process. Here you're going to see in the upper left-hand corner the ability to change your password by clicking on the little gears icon. We can also sign out in the upper right-hand corner. Underneath that, you're going to see the notes. This feature allows you to document your experience by writing notes. Simply click the new button in the upper right-hand corner, write your note, click Save Note, and it'll populate here. At any time, you can click into one of your notes and edit it, and then just swipe to the left to delete it. From there, you can navigate back and see things like council info. This is going to show you your recruitment counselors and the information that's available for them. You can also see at the top here, any specific email address listed for your community that you can contact for other questions about the recruitment process. Guides. If your community offers a recruitment guide, you can see that here. Same thing, you can access some helpful videos here, including a campus-specific video, and then some that are included from Phired Up. Once you get to the MRABA process, if that's applicable for your community, you're going to click View MRABA and you can review it throughout the process. Once you sign your MRABA, you can also view your signed document in this tab. If your community is participating in iValue, you can see your values displayed in the Values tab, as well as accessing the iValue workbook. Here you'll be able to view any invitations, priorities, as well as your preferences. Each of the chapters that you're able to rank is going to appear here, and you can just drag and drop to rearrange. Click Save Priorities. You're going to get a notification that says you'll no longer be able to change them once you save them. Your community may require a passcode, so you'll want to work with your recruitment counselor or campus representative to obtain that passcode to submit your priorities. If there's an incorrect password, it will tell you here. And then once you submit them, you will not be able to edit them unless you contact your campus directly. But again, if you think this is a mistake, you can contact your recruitment counselor directly or your council representative, again, by going to Resources, Council Information, and then you'll see their contact information at the top or your specific recruitment counselor's information there. We hope you enjoy using the new companion app, and if you have any questions, feedback, or concern, please let us know. Best of luck with recruitment.